Okay, here in the cabin, some cabin configurations have this TV that comes out, pops out of here. Okay, so sometimes these get loose after many, many uses. So sometimes this will be loose, or sometimes, like in this case, this doesn't stay up. So when the passenger's trying to watch the TV, it comes down, so it's not really pleasant. So to adjust these, you have these two screws here, and then over here has this one right here. It needs an Allen wrench. So it's really easy. So you just got to make sure it's upright. Okay, and then just tighten it. Or actually, you don't even have to wait for it to be upright. You can just tighten it right there. So when I tighten this, it's going to be, it'll stay up. If it does this way doesn't work, we'll just go put it in this way. Okay, so there we go, like that. Okay, so pick it up. Still not tight enough. Alright, so boom. And that's it. So now it stays up for the passenger to watch TV.